Gaming laptops are becoming increasingly popular in 2023. They are more powerful, portable, and affordable than ever before. This makes them a great option for gamers who want to play the latest games on the go. Today we will talk about what are the top 5 gaming laptop in 2023. Before we start, be kind enough to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I spend lots of my time to make this video for you guys. So make me satisfied by giving simple subscribe and make me motivate to make more content for your guys. Here we go. Here are the top 5 best gaming laptops in 2023, as reported by research experts. Number 5. Acer Predator Helios 300 Gaming Laptop. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is a great choice for gamers who want a powerful and affordable machine. It's powered by an Intel Core i7-12700A processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, and it features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 165Hz refresh rate. It also has a backlit keyboard and a number of other features that make it a great choice for gamers. Number 4. MSI GE76 Raider Gaming Laptop. The MSI GE76 Raider is a great choice for gamers who want the absolute best performance. It's powered by an Intel Core i9-13900A processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 Ti graphics card, and it features a 17.3-inch QHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate. It also has a ton of ports and storage options, making it perfect for content creators and gamers who need a lot of power and flexibility. Number 3. Lenovo Legion 5 Pro Gaming Laptop. The Lenovo Legion 5 Pro is a great choice for gamers who want a powerful and affordable machine. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 6800A processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, and it features a 16-inch QHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate. It also has a large battery that can provide up to 8 hours of gaming on a single charge. Number 2. Razer Blade 15 Gaming Laptop. The Razer Blade 15 is another great option for gamers who want a powerful and portable machine. It's powered by an Intel Core i9-13900A processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti graphics card, and it features a 15.6-inch QHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate. It's also incredibly thin and light, making it easy to take with you on the go. Number 1. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 Gaming Laptop. This sleek and powerful gaming laptop is a great choice for gamers who want a portable machine that can still deliver high-end performance. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti graphics card, which can handle even the most demanding games. It also features a 14-inch QHD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which ensures smooth and fluid gameplay. These are just a few of the best gaming laptops on the market in 2023. When choosing a gaming laptop, it's important to consider your budget, your needs, and your preferences. There are a lot of great options available, so you're sure to find the perfect one for you. Tell me what gaming laptop you are using today. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive the notification of the latest tech gadget review. I appreciate for your support and am grateful for your comments, likes, and shares. You inspire me to create better content. Together, we form an incredible community. Thank you for being a part of my journey.